Question number 26. A sphere of radius r carries charge such that its volume charge density is proportional to the square of the distance from the center. What is the ratio of the magnitude of electric field at a distance 2r from the center to the magnitude of electric field at a distance of r by 2 from the center? So here first of all you have to see whether a variable charge distribution is given or constant or uniform charge distribution is given. See, from the first sentence we can understand that its volume charge density is directly proportional to square of the distance given. So you can just write here that volume charge density, what is the symbol for volume charge density? Rho, is directly proportional to square of the distance from center given. So rho is proportional to r square, and of course rho is equal to some constant into r square. Now what is volume charge density? Volume charge density means that is charge per unit volume. So you can just write here charge is, let me consider dq variable, na? So that simply you can write dq by dv, which is equal to k r square, and dq is equal to k r square into dv. So to calculate the charge on the whole sphere, you can just take an integration for this one, that is q equal to integral k r square into dv. But it is in terms of r only, na? So v also you have to write in terms of r in such a way that here you can write q is equal to integral k r square. What is the small element of volume? Volume you can consider. If you just consider a surface element, surface areal element, that is 4 pi r square into dr to write the volume element. So all the constants if you write outside the integration, that is 4 pi k, and remaining one is integral r square into r square, r power 4 dr. And finally you have to take the integration from, of course, 0 to capital R you can consider 0 to capital R. That means for the whole volume of this particular sphere you have to calculate the charge. So q is equal to finally 4 pi k into by taking integration here, integral for r power 4, that is r power 5 by 5, and limits are from 0 to capital R. And then the total charge to calculate, this will be 4 pi k by 5 by substituting upper limit and lower limits. Lower limit will be 0 only, na? So that you can simply write it as r power 5. So finally for the charge what we can write here, pi equal to q equal to 4 pi k r power 5 by 5. This is the value of charge in the whole given particular volume of the sphere. But now the question is, you have to calculate electric field intensity at two different points. One is at a distance 2r from the center. 2r from the center in the sense it is outside the sphere. And another point is r by 2 from the center. That means you have to take the point inside the sphere. For both of them you have to separately calculate here electric field intensities, and then we can take the ratio for them. So see here, first of all electric field intensity if you want to calculate at a distance 2r from center, that means outside that particular given sphere only, na? The general formula is 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught charge enclosed by that, and whatever the charge can give the electric field, that q is there by distance square. Distance is 2r from the center, and this is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into this is the charge on the whole given sphere, but outside the sphere no charge is existed. So at 2r distance, even you draw a Gaussian surface, it covers the same amount of charge only. So that simply you can write same amount of charge you can mention for q, that is 4 by 5 pi k r power 5 by 2r whole square, na? That is nothing but 4r square, and finally it is 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught ratio we are going to take, so definitely they will be cancelled. That's why I am writing separately. And 4 and 4 will get cancelled here. 1 r square also will be cancelled. So what is the remaining equation? Pi k r cube by 5. That is the equation for electric field intensity at a distance 2r from center. And the second part, if you want to calculate electric field intensity at a distance r by 2, where the point is, this point is inside the sphere. So the same formula we can use here, that is 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught, charge enclosed by the sphere having radius r by 2 only, by r by 2 whole square. So according to the charge equation, 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into, in place of q what you can write, 4 by 5 pi k, in place of r we have to write here r by 2 only, because this point is inside the sphere, na? The whole charge is not contained in this particular sphere, by distance is r by 2 whole power whole square. And of course again here r by 2 whole power 5 by r by 2 whole cube. So r by 2 whole square, r by 2 whole square and r by 2 whole square will get cancelled. Then you will have 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught, 4 pi k by 5 of course, and r by 2 whole cube means r cube by 8 only. So that can be simply taken here. 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught, 4 2s are 8 only, na? So that pi k r cube by 5 into 2 will be 10. Here 4 1s are 4 2s are 8 only. So 5 into 2 will be 10 only. Now you have to calculate, the question is you have to calculate the ratio between electric field at a distance 2r by electric field at a distance r by 2. And by taking the ratio between these two equations, we know here 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught will cancel, pi k r cube will cancel, and the remaining equation is 1 by 5 by 1 by 10. This is simply 10 by 5, which is equal to 2. So here finally the answer is equal to 2 only.